I'm going to show you our phonics sound for this week. It is the long E sound spelled with the letter Y. So sometimes we will see this at the end of two-syllable words. Let's take a look. Sometimes the letter Y can say the long E sound, E. Here are some words. These are all words that have two syllables. So I've written out some words. Here's the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and we always split them between the two consonants. So here we have fun, knee, funny. Here's another one. I've split it between the two consonants, the two P's here. So we have hap-py, happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. How about this one down here? Again, we've got B-U-N-N-Y. Here's the vowel, the U, consonant, consonant, and the Y is saying long E, so it's a vowel. I split the word between the two consonants, so I have bun-knee, bunny. And then this last one, P-U-P-P-Y, my vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. I'm splitting between the two consonants there, so I have pup-py, puppy. And in those words, funny, happy, bunny, puppy, you can hear at the end they all have an E sound, don't they? And that E is made with the letter Y. So that's our sound this week. Let's take a look at some word cards where we have the sound. Here's one. You might see this on your money. There's another one. This one. Pen-knee, penny. Maybe you're lucky and you find a penny. Penny. Or pup-py, puppy. Maybe you have a puppy as one of your pets. Or you might eat this on your bread or your toast or on a sandwich. Jelly, jelly. Looks like some grape jelly there. Ah, many of us like this. I can split it between my two consonants. Candy, candy. Oh, just like the weather outside today. Sunny, sunny. It's a sunny day. This girl was painting. She got a bit messy, messy. She needs to clean up because she got messy with her paints. How about this one? I know we looked at it before on the paper. Bunny, bunny. Like the Easter bunny. And one more. Happy, happy. He looks happy with his smile, doesn't he? So there are some words that have the Y at the end that says the long E sound, E. Now we're going to take a look at some sight words. And I have chosen sight words that have this Y that says E at the end. Some of them you might know. This one's a little different because it has our OR sound inside. The word is story. S-T-O-R-Y. St-or-E. Story. Like I will read you a story. Or you can read a story. This word says many. M-A-N-Y. Many. How many of you? How many toys do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? Many. M-A-N-Y. It looks like man with a Y at the end. Looks like it might say Manny, but it says many. How many? Another one. There's the Y at the end that says E. This word says pretty. Like, oh, you look so pretty today. Very pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Pretty. Or if I look out my window, it's a pretty day outside. Very clear. I can see some snow on the mountains out there. Pretty. Another word, I know we read this one. F-U-N-N-Y. Funny. Like somebody's joke could be funny. We laugh when something is funny. And the word fun is hiding inside of funny. Because usually when you're having fun, things might be funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. And one more sight word for us. Just a little one. This word says any. A-N-Y, any. Do you have any cookies? Is there any more time? We could pick any brain break to do. Any. A-N-Y. So there we go. Since we're focusing on our Y that says E, some sight words that have the Y that says E at the end. Story, many, pretty, funny, any. Some words with the Y that says long E sound. Penny, puppy, jelly, candy, sunny, messy, bunny, happy. Because all this week we're going to practice reading, spelling, and writing words that have the Y that says the E sound at the end. So there you have it. I hope this helps, and I will see you in class.